Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Botsheets. So Botsheets is a AI chatbot creator, but what makes it different is that it can also be used as a lead generation tool. You can set up some pre-given questions to your chatbot, and every time someone wants to talk to the chatbot, he or she has to provide their contact information. And once they provide that, you can get that contact information on a particular Google Sheet. The great news is this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $300, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $39 for one-time single payment. Now let's see all the plan and features of this tool. So you get AI chat automation with Google Sheet. You can customize the theme of your chatbot. There is prompt editor. You can collect data, the contact information of your lead. There are a lot of languages, 95 plus languages to be precise, and all of the future languages are also going to be included with this deal. And then you can also generate content from spreadsheet. And these are the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $39. Here you can create 2 chatbots. The amount of messages every month is 500. And the amount of character limit for training your chatbot is 500k. You can have 1000 max sheet rows. There is also 3-day chat logs, which means for 3 days you can access the chat logs. But if you want more limits, you can opt for this license tier 3 that costs $299 with unlimited chatbots, 10,000 messages every month, unlimited document character limit. And there are some additional features such as you can remove the branding, you can bring your own OpenAI API key, and then you can also get GPT-4 access to your chatbot. So if you want to buy Botsheet on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard. So after you log into Botsheet, you are going to get this dashboard. And in order to create a chatbot, click on this. So now on this box, you have to provide a brief description about the purpose of your chatbot, why you want to create this. For example, I want to generate leads for my SEO business. So just like this, you have to provide your own description for the purpose of your chatbot and then click on continue. And now you have to import your data to train your chatbot. You can also do this later if you want. And for training, you can scrap URL, which means you can use website data to train the chatbot. You can also upload a PDF file, a document file, or you can also input data. So I'm just going to upload a PDF. So here is my PDF. And now I have to click on this import PDF. So as you can see, the status is saying that the PDF has been processed, which means it has been trained to the chatbot. You can also see the character count. And now all I have to do is click on continue. But I can also add more data sources using these methods if I want. So let's just click on continue. So remember how I provided a brief description about my business, about the purpose for this chatbot. So according to that description, Botsheets has came up with some questions that I can ask to the people who are going to talk with my chatbot. So the AI of Botsheet has generated some relevant questions. Now I have to select which of these questions I want to have on the chatbot, which of these questions I want to ask to the customers when they are talking to the chatbot. So for example, I want the lead name, the lead email, and the website URL, also the target keywords, and let's see the budget. So these are the questions that I want to ask to the potential customers. And on the right side, you can get another section. So if you want any of these questions to be required, which means in order to start talking to the chatbot, the customer or the potential lead must give this information, name, email, or any other information. You can also make it required from this right side. So let's make this name, email, the website URL, the target keywords, and the budget. So I made all of them required. And I can also add more data points if I want. So these are the relevant data points that have been generated by AI, but you can also add additional data points if you want. So you have to provide the name and the description, then you can add the data point. So now let's click on continue. And now you can edit some messages such as the welcome message. So here is the welcome message. You can modify this if you want. And if you want to ask a leading question immediately after your welcome message, you can also enable that. And you can also choose the tone for your chatbot. Now let's click on continue. And now on the last part, you have to choose your chatbot name. So this is going to be my chatbot name. Now all I have to do is click on test bot. Okay, so the chatbot has been created, and as soon as I opened it, as you can see, here is the welcome message. So now let's send a message. Click on send. So if you remember, I added some questions and the chatbot is now going to ask all of these questions. So first it is asking for the name of my business. So let's provide one. Let's send this one. And I also added the question of email address. So now it is also asking for that. So now it is asking for the website URL. And now as you can see, it is asking for target keywords since this chatbot was created for SEO business. And this is probably the last question. So it is asking about the SEO budget. So as you can see, the question now ends here. Now I can ask anything from the PDF that I uploaded. So this is exactly how the chatbot is going to work. If you make some questions required on that data point, the chatbot is first going to ask all of these questions. And if the user properly answers them, then they can ask about your business further. So let's open the PDF and ask a question from that. So here's the PDF that I uploaded on Botsheets. And let's ask a question from this first line. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. So let's ask about this. So here's my question. Now let's send this. And as you can see, here is the answer. And it is totally the accurate answer, exactly according to the PDF that I uploaded. Now you might be wondering all of the data that the chatbot has acquired from this conversation. So this email address, the name of business, website URL, target keywords, so all of these questions were asked by this chatbot. So now where can I see the answer, or where is this data is being stored? So for that you have to go to your Google Drive, exactly the Google Drive that is connected to this Gmail account, which means the Gmail account that you used in order to open the Botsheet account. So go to this Google Drive account of this Gmail. So here is that Google Drive account for that Gmail. So I'm just now going to reload this page. And as you can see, there is a Google Sheet created automatically according to the chatbot name. Now let's open this one. And as you can see, all of the data that was collected by the chatbot is appearing on this section. So you get the user ID, the name, the email, the website URL, target keyword, budget. So all of the data is going to be stored on this Google Sheet. And now if more people talks with the chatbot, all of their contact information, name, email, website URL, all of them are going to appear on this Google Sheet. So back to Botsheets. Now how can you share your chatbot or embed this chatbot? For that, go to this share your bot. Now you can share using the iframe code or the chat widget, or you can also share the URL. So this is the landing page URL for this chatbot. You can also see the recent activity. So you can see all of the collected data on the Google Sheet. You can also see the transcript, and you can also change a lot of settings for the bot. So you can change the name, you can connect your own API key, you can also delete your chatbot. And if you go to this data, you can add various data points. As you can see, here is the data points that I selected earlier. You can also add more if you want. You can also retrain your chatbot. So these are the data points, but there are also some other options. So you can add your business information with various data points. And for training, you can go to this knowledge base. So as you can see, there is already one PDF. You can add another PDF, or you can also add URL for scraping. Then there is also rules. So you can also add various rules. You can edit the welcome message, ask a leading question, change the tone, and also edit the base prompt for your chatbot. Then there is branding. So you can change the widget theme, the icon color. Overall, I think Botsheets is an excellent tool that lets you create chatbots, and it has a lot of features that you do not get on traditional chatbots, such as you can collect data of your users' contact information using Google Sheet. So if you want to buy Botsheets on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.